Hi students, so we have finished our exercise 3.3. Let us start with our exercise 3.4. The first heading is find the common factor of 28 and 20 and 28. So common means what? The word it describes us something should be common in both, that is some character or some multiples should be same in 20 and 28. So let us find the common factor of number 20 and 28. Before finding the common factor, we need to find out the factors of individuals. Factors of 20. Factors means the number 20 in which tables does it multiply. So in 1, 2, as we know 2 tens are 20, 3 not 3, 4, 4 5s are 20, again 5, as 5 4s are 20, not in 6, not in 7, not in 8 also, 10, 10 2s are 20, again 21s are 20. These are all the multiples of 20. So next, multiples or factors? Factors of 28. So this is not multiples, this is factors. Okay. So let us see in which tables does 28 will be the multiple. So in 1, again in 2. So keep remember that all the even numbers are multiple of tables 2. Okay. In 3 ones are no, in 4 because 4 7s are 28 we know, not in 5, not in 6 also, not in 7, 7 4s are 28. Next, not 8 ones are will not get, so as in 9 ones also, 10 also not, 11 no, 12 no, 13 no, 14 we get, 14 2s are 28. Now common factors of 20 and 28. So which are the similar number present is 1. So 1 is present in 20 factors of 20 as well as in factors of 28. So next 2, next 4. I think that's it. 1 2 4 are the numbers common factors of 20 and 28. So I hope you understood this first problem. So let us solve another problem. So same common factors of 35 and 50. So let us solve first 35. So 35 will be in 1, not in 2 because it is an odd number, 2 no, 3 also no, not in 4, 5 ones are, 5 7s are, again 7, not in 8, 9, 10 no, not above that I feel no, 50. So 50 will be in 1, 2, 25s are 50, not in 3, 4, 5, 5 10s are 50, not next is 10 5s are 50. So I hope this is the factors of 35 and factors of 50. Now let us write the common factor by the both numbers, that is 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are the common factors of number 35 and 50. So what? Just you have to write first factors of 35, whichever number is multiple of the given numbers, and next factors of another number, and then you have to check with this both the answers and which is a common factor present in both the numbers. You have to just write down that. So I hope you understood this problem. So let us move to our next problem. Now let us find the common factor of 3 numbers. Before we are doing just 2 numbers. Now let us do the 3 numbers. Now let us find out the factor of number 4. So for number 4 we get 1, 2, 4. So if you want to solve these problems, that you should know tables very well, so that your problem will be very easy. Okay, next 8. So 1, again 2, 4, 8. Next 12. So 3 numbers is there, so we have to write individually factor of 4, factor of 8, factor of 12. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. There are many factors for 12. Okay, now let us write the common factor. Common factors is equal to, which are the common factors now? Just we can see 1 is present in the 3 numbers also, then 2, then 4, 1, 2, 3. In 3 numbers also 4 is present, so 4. So that's it. If you see 8 is present in just 8 factors, 3 is present in just 12, 6 is also present in 12, and 12 is also present in 12 factors of 12. So we have to just write the common factors of a given numbers. So I hope you understood this problem. So write it, practice that, you can understand still more. So thank you so much for watching the video.